Hello everybody. Today we are trying to read Vauxhall combo, which is same as Opel or Fiat combo, Doblo. It is MJ8F3 ECU. Using case free, benching it, and we are on 98%, 99%. We are Moorhouse Garage Limited, located in Westerham, Kent. You can reach me on 07-533-636-194 with your DPF, ECU, Adblue, ECU programming, black or white smoke, high fuel consumption and power loss problems. We are the masters. We are also RAC approved garage repair center. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.